actually got this laser hair removal. This one is by DermRays. They say that it's the world's first at-home laser hair removal device, a new generation of hair removal technology. It is powered by Silk Pro. This one is not like, you know, super cheap, okay? I'll say that, but I know they do have a $70 coupon when you go on Amazon. It does like have a clickable coupon. But oh my gosh, guys, if you have not tried this, you need to. Now, I've been wanting to get this for the longest time. This works. It's been 2 days, no hair has grown back. That's a big deal because usually my hair grows back after like a day. It gets prickly. After 2 days, it gets spiky. I have really coarse hair on my legs. On my arms, not so much, but on my armpits, they're really coarse and thick and black. After the first time, I was shocked, to say the least. And I know based on the reviews, I've seen a lot of reviews saying it works. Especially one girl, she said that she used it, and after one use, she was shocked how her hair did not grow back. You guys, this works so good. You don't need to spend a lot of money going to salons and getting this done. You can do it at home in the comfort of your own home. I want to show you guys what it comes with. So it comes with the device itself. It comes with like a little razor. I haven't used it yet, but it does come with the razor. You do have to shave before you use this. That's kind of like the idea. So you shave, use it, and your hair doesn't grow back. Also comes with like an instructional quick start guide. It comes with a user manual. Let me read to you guys quickly how you're supposed to use it, like the directions on it. Obviously, when you guys get it, you will know how to use it based on the directions. But it does say that this device, you need to use it 3 times a week for the first 2 weeks. And then the following 2 to 3 weeks, you use it twice a week. And then after 5 weeks, you're only supposed to use it once a month. My legs are so smooth and I have no hair. I am beyond impressed. It does also come with this right here, which is perfect for traveling. You could just throw it in there. It does come with this AC adapter right here. You do have to plug it in. Turn it on. All you have to do is push this down for about like 2 seconds. Did you hear that? It like clicks and then it turns on. This light turns on right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like digital. Hopefully you guys can. It has like this temperature, different temperature setting, and you can press this all the way to 6. For the first time I did it, they do recommend to do it to 1. Let me do it back to 1. When you're ready to use it on your skin, all you have to do is push it down twice, and the light turns green, and then when it is on your skin, the light turns yellow, and every beep you move it. I don't want to use it too much because I already used it, and you're not supposed to use it more than 3 times a week. So I am gonna have to use it tomorrow again. This is how it looks, and it does not hurt whatsoever. Turn it off, you just hold it down again and it turns off. I honestly was worried that it's gonna hurt, but it doesn't hurt at all. Now, with that being said, I think out of my whole body, the only place that it did slightly sting just a little bit was my legs towards the bottom. I don't know why. It was on both of my legs. It just felt like a little oof, you know, but it wasn't painful where it's unbearable. But the rest of my body, I felt nothing. I did it on my legs, like my whole legs, my arms, and my armpits. Ever since I used it on my arms, do you see that? Like, it is nice and smooth. It's not prickly or anything. I'm giving you guys like a 2-month update and also a year update, and let you guys know my experience throughout the time, how it works, what do I think, if I still love it. If you thought of doing this, you guys need to. This is a game changer. I wanted to give you guys a quick update since this video took a lot longer than I thought to post. I've seen amazing results. For the first 2 days, it did not grow back, but then it started growing back. I am right now currently on week 4. I did notice a huge difference on my arms. I have no more hair, like nothing is growing back. I didn't have a lot of hair to begin with, so I'm just gonna be completely honest with you. I didn't have a lot of hair because I used to use Nair a long time ago, and I feel like Nair just killed my roots when it comes to my arms. But I always had some hairs that would always grow back no matter what. Nothing has grown back. Now my armpits, I feel like my armpits are the most stubborn because for me, I have really coarse thick hair. Of course, like the more coarse and thick your hair is, the more stubborn it is to like get rid of it. As far as my armpits, they still grew back, but now they're growing back in patches. So used to be like super thick, but now it's like little patches where they're missing. On my legs also, there's like a lot of patches of hair missing. Before, I used to always have like these spiky, prickly hair that will always grow back. Now I'm like feeling my feet, my legs, they're a lot smoother. They feel really nice and soft and a lot less hair growing back. I think this is by far one of the best products I've tried on Amazon. With that being said, I do want to point this out. I did notice that my hair stopped growing after I went to level 6. So there's 1 to 6 levels. I can't really tell much of a difference when it comes to like the pain or the intensity. Well, maybe a little bit. It's only certain parts of my body. Like my armpits, I could feel a little bit more. And then only like the front part of my leg at the bottom, I could feel a little bit. But it's not like unbearable. It's just like a little like sting, like, you know? And it's a little bit more warm, but it's not hot where it burns you. It's just like not warm air. Rest of my leg, I don't feel a thing. Still really, really good.